Hey guys, welcome to this ChevSpeaks video. This one's kind of unplanned. It's not really, I don't really have much content to share with you guys right now. But I will say a quick update. I finally have the Mercedes back. It was getting serviced over the past month or so. We just left it at the service shop, and we just told the guy to take his time because we weren't going to be driving it that much either way. So car's right here, and today I actually did my first modification to it, and some people may call it a modification, some people are like, it's not a true modification, but I put an authentic Bulgarian license plate on the front of it. I am of Bulgarian descent, if you guys didn't know that, but I guess that's where my love of a heavily depreciated Mercedes comes from, especially S-classes. Gonna go outside again. So I didn't want to drill holes into the bumper, so I put it over the mesh. Like, see, here's mesh, and I just used like zip ties, and it's staying on there pretty sturdy. It doesn't affect the cooling at all. I took it on a nice little highway run. The cooling, all my temperatures stayed normal. Everything was fine. I do like the look of it. Some people don't like front license plates. I personally kind of do. Bad news, the flash drive with some of my videos on it, actually 2 videos that I was going to post, I lost it at school. Whether someone took it from me or they mistook it for their own flash drive or whatever, I don't have it. And there was a video that I worked pretty hard on. It was about depreciation, and I was going to film another video about how much it actually costs to own one of these cars. But that video is also lost too, so I'm going to have to reshoot them, and I apologize for the delays in filming. But the car's been running very well. I got all of my service. I got all the warning lights fixed on it. I had lights about the ESP, BAS, and pre-save coming on. I also had a vibration in the transmission. Those were all fixed very easily. By the way, Benz Club of Atlanta, which is where we got this car serviced, excellent shop. Guy that owns it is Bulgarian. Very good guy, very reasonable prices. He's an independent mechanic. He knows what he's doing with these cars. He specializes in these cars. I'll link his, I'll give an address to his shop down below in the description. In addition to that, very good guy, Toshkata, very good guy, very reasonable prices. Took great care of this car. Can't thank him enough for it. Also, more news. I made an Instagram, so the @ will be somewhere over here on the screen. It's @ChevSpeaks on Instagram. Feel free to follow it. I'll just post more pictures of this car. It's almost like a spam account for my own personal account, where I'll just post pictures of this car because I'm sure that many people don't want to look at my personal account. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a great day today, and thanks for watching this ChevSpeaks episode.